In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll down to click on Apps. Scroll again to access Default Apps and tap on Home App. Now select Launcher Pro. Hit Allow All in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, just access Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you need to access the same default Home app settings and click on System Home Screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!